Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I thought I'd make a tutorial on how to export transparent videos since I spent like a few hours trying to figure out how to export videos transparent. So, I'm just gonna tell you guys how. So, as you can see, this animation. Now, I want it to kind of look like this when it's rendered, but shading. This is what it will look like when it's rendered. Now, here's how you remove this. First, go to the world section. Go to this, hit where it says surface, then link remove. And then go back to surface, hit background, and then color. I like to do kind of like a light gray and try to match the I try to match this as best as possible. So I can see, as you can see, that's pretty good. That's just if you want no lighting though. But if you want to go transparent, first go to render, go to film, and then hit transparent. So yeah, as you can see, that will be transparent now. Then go to output, and go to output. Now, by default, this will be PNG, I'm pretty sure. Click this, hit FFmpeg video, and now go to the container, and switch it to QuickTime, and then video codec to Qt animation. Then switch this to RGBA, because RGB is red, green, blue, but what you want to do is RGBA because that'll be red, green, blue, and alpha, which is like transparent. And then I believe that you should be good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. This is pretty quick, but I hope I get to help somebody. Yeah, see you next time.